What I've realized that if your business doesn't have the right softwares and systems to grow, then you're just working a high paid job. You're not really a business owner. So what we do is we build backend systems. We've done it for a lot of different cleaning businesses. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick audit on how we audit other cleaning businesses, but also just a tech stack. Like, what is the simple tech stack that you need to be able to be good, right? And really be successful. So if you guys have not been following my channel, this is a few clients. Like, we've spent like almost 300 bucks, 293 for them to close almost $2,200 in just 5 days of just leads running Google ads to a system that we built for them. This is a brand new client that we helped back in January, first week, 359, and they closed a little over $2,000 with just this brand new system with a business that is just getting going, getting started. Another one, this client, they closed 3,500, and in 3 weeks worth of new recurrings, initials, and again, this is all just a system. And this client's doing pretty well. They have a handful of recurring, so they're a pretty bigger cleaning business. So this helps for all different types of businesses. Same client that has the 200 monthly recurring. This is what we do. We spend almost $5,000 in ad spend every month to help them grow their biz. And it's just been amazing, just helping smaller businesses, people that are just getting started, to more bigger businesses. And it starts off with your tech stack. Okay. So this is all you really need to understand when you're building your software stack, your tech stack. So you need a CRM, email, and SMS system to communicate and nurture your leads. You need a booking scheduling system to be able to book once they become clients onto a scheduler, to where your cleaners are able to see what's on their cleans for the day. You need a website host, and then you also need a phone system. So once you have at least this dialed in and figuring out what softwares work for all of these, then you have a whole tech stack that's going to be able to run lean and simple for your biz. Now, the good news is 3 of these, which is the CRM, email, phone system, and website host, 3 of these is all in Go High Level. So I use Go High Level. There's a lot of other softwares out there, but I just like how you can host your website, your phone system, the CRM, email, and SMS system. So we have this for clients that use all 3. And then they have a separate booking scheduler once it becomes a lead, someone that wants to get a clean for their home or just get a simple clean. So this is, again, those 3 that we need to be dialed in on, and that's why I like High Level. So what I'm going to show you guys is how we go in on Google, we find businesses, and how we'd be able to help them with their tech stacks and really help them grow as I talk to them, as we figure out, hey, what's best for you? Because genuinely, we want to make sure that they have the most simplest tech stack. I'm not married to Go High Level. It just works. If it produces results, I've had other softwares that we've used in the past for our agency, like years ago. And today, if it's going to give the business results and it's a more simplified version, I'm all in. So if something better comes in the future, we're going to pivot. Cool. So check this out. This audit that we do for cleaning businesses, how we find them on Google, and how we use builtwith.com to be able to find our tech stacks and softwares that cleaning businesses use. So I'm going to show you guys how I look for clients, audit clients, and even send Loom videos. So if I know a client, for example, this is house cleaning businesses near me in Atlanta. If I know a client is out here in Atlanta that I'm pitching towards, I'm going to show them by sending this to them and how I'd be able to help them. So what I would do is, one, I'd show them results. I'd be like, hey, these are results I've gotten for clients. I have a whole results for cleaning businesses. If you don't have results, then demonstrate like I'm doing right now. So Google Guarantee is always going to be at the top when they're looking for these services. And you'll see these like Atlanta Maids, Brazilian Blessed Cleaning. So you'll see this. And this is how Google works, okay? And it goes here. And then what ends up happening is you'll see some sponsored paid posts for search. And I'll show you guys another example. And then you'll see the businesses, right, on maps. And then you'll start to see all the organic right here. You'll see all the organic people down here below, right? Organic SEO. But think about it. It's the paid people that get to the top, people that have Google guaranteed, and then people that are on the map. So Maps is a great local SEO service because this shows the real estate. Now, what I want to show you guys is only it shows the top 3, okay? Now, showing the top 3, and then I can hit here for more businesses, and then I can start looking. I'll be like, and then, hey, I don't even see your business. Right? I'll be right here. I'll be like, I don't even see your business here. Or I'll be like, oh, I don't even see them on page 1. Now, there's a few things I would look at. One, this is how I would do an audit if I were to pitch a business, knowing that this is what they have. I'd go in, and let's try this, Modern Maids of Atlanta. I'd hit website. So let me just go ahead and open up their website. And this is a pretty simple website, liking it, right? I mean, they're up there, so they must be knowing how to do their SEO, their map SEO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're sixth in line. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit, this is called builtwith.com. And with builtwith.com, you're able to really start looking at their software and their tech stack. So I see they use ConvertFlow. They use this thing called Launch 27. This is a scheduler, Slack, WordPress stuff. I don't see that they might not have Go High Level. Their content system is WordPress. So their website is hosted on WordPress. So this is a WordPress website. I use BuiltWith because before I even go on, I'm just going to tell them like, hey, I know this is off a WordPress site. I did my research. So it's like genuinely being interested in their businesses, because I am. I'm genuinely interested in see how I can help them, what they're doing. Look, these are locations they serve. So I'm going to keep going. I'll show you guys a couple more. I'd go here, Moxie Maids. See how this is. Okay, nice. Get there. I'm going to add this again. And I'm just going to look at what they have to offer. This one, it looks like name server, SiteGround, web servers. So they don't have much. And they might not be running like good backend systems. Like if I don't see anything that has high level on it, these are people that you eventually want to be able to help. Okay, I'm going to skip that one. So I'm just doing a live source for you guys. And let's actually look at the top 3. So this one's called Amazon Cleaning. Okay, AmazonCleaning.net. Okay. Let's see what they have. They have a Facebook pixel. I saw that. Going down more. Their content system's WordPress. They host their website. Yeah. Okay. And again, I'm not seeing, let's see the top search, which is Atlanta Greens. I'm not seeing that they're using high level. And usually if high level is on there, it'll be able to capture them. But this is, again, opportunity for people in the cleaning industry to adapt to the new systems that are out there. Okay, this one is probably a WordPress one too. I saw a little WordPress right here. So you could obviously see there's a handful of these clients that are not using it, and I would start to audit them from there. Okay, I'll do one more, and then I'm going to give you guys another example of a different type of industry. So here's one. I go in. Okay, this is a great one. So they use Clean Corp. They use high level, right? It's right here, Lead Connector high level. And I'm assuming this is their high level form. But we could see their content system. So email hosting provider, content delivery system. So yeah, it's probably built on WordPress. Maybe we can even look down here. And this is just through BuiltWith. I know there's several ways where you can just go in, you can inspect, right? But if you don't know how to inspect, then here it is. This is BuiltWith. But I'm looking and I'm seeing that, again, this is a nice, simple website. I love what they're doing here. But then this might be a high-level form that they put in. So these people are using it, which is cool. So I'm glad I did that. And I go in, I'm like, hey, I see that you are using high level. How's that going? Did you get to build that? Do you have somebody running that, a marketer? And some people are like, no, I'm not running it. Or someone did run it. I'm just not working with them anymore. And it's like, oh, yeah, maybe we can hop on a chat. I can help you out, get some automations going. So this is great ways to just start. And this is how I would start looking at certain businesses once they send me their site. But Google is a great way to find them. And I'm like, hey, I see that you're not ranking at the top. Would you like some help with that? Can we help you? I can help you. I want to make sure you rank at the top 3, just like Atlanta Greens, Maids, Amazon Cleaning, Hux. I don't even see you here. And that's how I would do that audit if I were to send that to someone that is interested in our services. Okay. Now, that was great. I'm glad we found one. Hopefully that makes sense. So you guys see that we go on Google, we look up cleaning businesses. I check them on the maps. So we do like the local SEO. We can help them with the search, the sponsored ads as well. But it's the full funnel. And you can use builtwith.com to be able to look at their tech stack. We just saw that last one. They had Go High Level. And if they need help, maybe somebody tried implementing it and they don't really have expertise or know how to use it. They just referred it, because a lot of people are referring Go High Level today. But actually using it for a case study to get results, those are the results we get for our clients. And we go in, We look at your tech stack. We look at what's hosting your website, what's your phone system, what's the best way to nurture and build automations on the back end. But then also, are you guys converting well? And also, what's your booking system? And can we connect everything? I have videos on how we connect certain booking schedulers. I have videos on walkthroughs on our full Go High Level snapshot. If you guys are interested in any of that, want to partner, I have a survey down below, an application. You can check that out. If you're an agency and you want to be part of our community, I have that as well. Or just go watch other videos that we have, and maybe you guys can just at least get some information so you can go and plug this into your own business. Cool. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for watching till the very end. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.